Hey guys, it's Gina Kern, and I'm going to take you on a little bit of an adventure. So I have a great client of mine who's agreed to film an unboxing video. I'm getting ready to deliver her limited edition print of Magnificent Wisdom, and it's actually right back here. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So hopefully you saw that. I couldn't tell from the screen very well, but we're going to go on an adventure and take you along with so you can see the great joy and just the smiles that these Enduring Roots prints bring to people. And it's such an honor for me. And really that's the best part of getting to do what I do, is to bring these smiles and joy to people's lives. So hope you're ready to come with me, and here we go. So we're getting really close to Tina's house here real quick. I'll see how good I can do getting the box out of the car and balancing the cell phone at the same time, but I might have to pause the video here. But super excited to show you her reaction as she gets to unbox her print of Magnificent Wisdom. All right, here we go, pulling in the driveway. I think we'll do the unboxing outside, so probably gonna pause so I can get the box out of the car here, and then we'll pick you up here on the other side. All right, let's see if we can unload. Tina and her husband Dana are here and gonna help unbox. So hang on just 1 second. I gotta use 2 hands to get this thing out of the car. All right, here we go. Tina's gonna unbox her pretty present.
Maybe it's beautiful tape. I might need scissors. You might have to start over.
That's all right. Maybe.
I got it.
Well, it's a good sign it's strong, sturdy tape, so,
yeah.
you know, not going to come undone in the mail then.
No. I hate to tear it. It's so pretty.
Whoops. I just chopped your head off there for a minute.
You got it?
I think
She got it.
Use muscles.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Oh, look, you got styrofoam.
I did. I think I know someone that could use this again.
Oh, no, surely not.
Yeah. Oh, 1,
Uh-huh.
2.
Yeah,
Maybe.
It's packed in there good, man.
Yes. All right, let's move this out of the way.
All right, I'm going to come over here so you can see
Yes.
inside the
Aw,
box.
Look how pretty.
Uh-huh, there's a card there for you, Ann.
A sticker.
And Dana there,
Do
yeah.
you want me to go ahead and open
You sure can. There's all kinds of goodies in there.
in here?
Uh-huh.
Goodness. Oh, that's right. I forgot. It's a pre-order. This video will be way too long.
That's okay. And get the full experience then of what it's like to open a print, right? Yeah, it's stuck in there good because there's all kinds of goodies in it. It's packed full. Whoa!
I was going to say,
There you go. Yes.
beautiful. I know.
Uh-huh.
That really pops.
So you got,
Oh, look.
what'd you
A
get?
decal.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then here are my...
Here's some
Cards.
business cards you can
Business
keep or
cards.
give away. Yeah.
Aw.
Your little
Signed by
hand-signed and embossed mini print right there.
Yeah. Oh, these came out nice too.
Yeah, you like that?
Yes.
And then a lengthy thank you note.
Which I will finish reading later.
Okay.
Videotape it. Okay, I'll put this in here.
All right.
Oh, it looks
And if we
like
look,
On the ribbon,
what's
yes.
that?
A little jump drive.
A little jump drive. Got all your bonus videos on there.
Yes, of you making everything.
Mm-hmm.
Fun. Okay, I'm gonna set these over here.
Okay.
Look at the pretty ribbon too. It matches everything.
Yeah. You might need your scissors for that.
Nope.
Nope. You
I'm so
got her muscle. She's gonna tear it.
Okay.
And I wrapped it good, so.
Oh, more bonus stuff. That's right.
Coloring
My own
pages.
Coloring pages.
Uh-huh.
And another thank you.
Uh-huh.
Wow, this is like quite the deal. All kinds of goodies. Whoa, and here's the real deal.
Beautiful.
I know. Look. Ah, beautiful. Look
What do you
at that, all
think?
framed and ready to go.
Yay!
It's beautiful.
Looky there. And turn around and look at the back side. What's on the back?
Favorite color.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, on the back. Certificate of authenticity.
Yep, there's all kinds of goodies in that little envelope there too. There's a
Really?
care sheet in there. Yep, there's a little
Of how to take
uh-huh.
care of it, yeah?
Yep, your enduring promise guarantees in there, and then a little biography. So,
Well,
and you
I'll
don't have to
check it out
open it now if you don't want to.
But
Yeah.
another-
So,
This is very nice.
well, thank
So
you very
professional.
much.
Ready to be hung? It's got
Yep.
a wire on the back.
Yeah. Thank you very
Can't
much.
wait to get it up.
Woohoo! All right, thanks, guys.